Woodworking tools need to have versatile qualities, and when we say versatile, there is no doubt Milescraft tools come on the list. So now, let's look at some of the Milescraft tools that came fresh to the market and stand out for woodworking. Kicking things off, the Milescraft 1344 CabinetPRO is built for one thing: perfect cabinet hardware installation every single time. Right away, the 100% metal construction eliminates flex, which means you get consistent, repeatable accuracy without second-guessing your setup. And thanks to the precision laser edge scales in both imperial and metric, dialing in measurements becomes quick and reliable. At the same time, the hardened steel drill guides adjust easily to match different hardware spacing, making it incredibly adaptable. Whether you're installing knobs, pulls, or handles, the dual edge stops ensure perfect positioning on both doors and drawers. Plus, the reversible design allows you to switch between left-hand and right-hand doors instantly, no resetting required. It even goes a step further by supporting cabinet shelf pin drilling with precise 32mm spacing between drill guides. And for larger projects, the included extension ruler expands the working range up to 32 inches. Add in centering notches and included hardware spacers that simplify setup, and you have a jig that saves serious time. When you're done, it all stores fully assembled in a foam-lined case, ready for the next job. When it comes to cutting accuracy, the Milescraft 1410 TrackSawSquare is all about speed and precision. Designed to create perfect 90-degree cuts, this tool connects directly to the Milescraft guide rail system and automatically pulls itself square using trapezoid alignment ridges. From a single measurement mark, you can rip entire boards straight from one end to the other, which makes your workflow much faster. And because of its symmetrical design, you can use it on either end of your tracksaw setup without any hassle. To keep things stable, the built-in anti-tip stabilizer catches the edge of your workpiece, preventing unwanted tipping during cuts. At the same time, the low-profile design reduces weight and allows it to work on boards as thin as ½ an inch while surface-mounted. And with recessed notches for clamp compatibility, you can pair it easily with Milescraft track clamps for even more secure setups.
Taking drilling to a whole new level, the Milescraft 1348 DrillMatePRO is essentially a portable drill press you can bring anywhere. Built with an all-metal construction, it delivers durability, accuracy, and consistent performance, especially when you need repeatable precision. One of its standout features is the ability to drill at any angle between 0 degrees and 60 degrees, giving you flexibility that most standard setups simply cannot match. And thanks to the extruded aluminum guide head with bronze bushings, you get smoother operation with less play, which means cleaner results. Right out of the box, it is fully assembled, so you can start working immediately. The dual spring design improves balance and control, while the independent depth stop, mounted on its own guide bar, prevents interference during operation. For added versatility, the built-in V-groove channel holds round stock securely, and the included centering pins and disc offer multiple centering options. To keep everything stable, rubber feet prevent slipping and protect your work surface, while the guide head lock feature holds position when changing bits or setting depth. And with large rubber-coated handles, you get better grip and control throughout the entire drilling process.
If you're replacing door hardware, the LockMate makes the process incredibly straightforward. Designed for do-it-yourself users of all skill levels, this jig allows you to install locks, knobs, and handles quickly and accurately without needing professional experience. It comes equipped with high-quality cobalt alloy bimetal hole saws in 2 1/8 inch and 1 inch sizes, making cutting through both wood and metal doors easy, whether they're solid or hollow core. And since it adjusts to fit standard door thicknesses of 1 3/8 inch and 1 7/8 inch, it works with most common setups. To improve durability, the stepped drill guide bushing reduces wear and extends the life of the jig. At the same time, adjustable lock locations allow you to create both 2 3/8 inch and 2 7/4 inch backsets, ensuring compatibility with standard hardware sizes. For cleaner results, the extra-long 1/4-inch pilot bit exits the door first, helping reduce tear-out when finishing from the opposite side. And with secure mounting using the included screws, the jig stays firmly in place throughout the process.
When safety and control matter most, the Milescraft 3406 GrabberPRO delivers in a big way. This adjustable push block is designed for use across table saws, router tables, jointers, and bandsaws, making it one of the most versatile safety tools you can own. The multi-leg design is a standout feature, allowing the tool to pass over both sides of a saw blade while maintaining constant contact with the workpiece, helping reduce kickback significantly. And with 4 adjustable and interchangeable legs, including 1-inch, 1/2-inch, 1/4-inch, and 1/8-inch sizes, you can customize it for different cutting tasks, even down to thin strips. The ergonomic tilted handle keeps steady pressure on the material, improving both safety and control, while also keeping your hands angled away from the blade. For added support, the angled foot can be lowered during taller or thinner cuts. On top of that, the diamond grip push block legs, made from non-marring thermoplastic elastomer material, provide strong hold without damaging the workpiece. And since the surface is easy to clean, you won't have to worry about slipping during use. Building on the original, the Milescraft 1338 LockMatePLUS takes door installation to the next level, especially for larger jobs where time matters. The biggest upgrade here is the self-clamping design, which allows you to set up instantly without using screws, preventing damage to the door surface. The wide rubber clamp not only protects the door, but also prevents slipping, ensuring stable operation. Just like the LockMate, it includes 2 1/8-inch and 1-inch cobalt alloy bimetal hole saws and works on both wood and metal doors, including solid and hollow core types. It fits standard door thicknesses of 1 3/8 and 1 7/8 inch, and allows for adjustable lock locations with both 2 3/8 and 2 7/8 inch backsets. The built-in metal bushing in the stepped drill guide improves durability, while the included deadbolt locator ensures perfect spacing between locks and handles. To reduce tear-out, it also uses the extra-long 1/4-inch pilot bit method, giving you cleaner results every time. For finishing work, the Milescraft 1621 EdgeSander offers a smart way to save time without sacrificing quality. Instead of sanding one edge at a time, the unique V-groove design allows you to sand both edges simultaneously, handling boards from 1/4 inch up to 1 1/2 inch thick. This makes it especially useful for veneer and laminate projects, but it's versatile enough for general edge sanding as well. The ergonomic shape ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to apply consistent pressure for accurate results. And since it's compatible with any standard 5-inch sanding disc with hook and loop backing, swapping discs is quick and easy. Small but incredibly practical, the Milescraft 1622 Sandit is a multi-surface sanding block that simplifies your workflow. Designed to work with any standard 1/4 sheet of sandpaper, it uses a patented snap lock system that makes changing sheets fast and hassle-free. What makes it stand out is its multi-contour design. Each side is shaped differently, allowing you to handle flat, convex, concave, and tight corner sanding without switching tools. This eliminates the need for multiple sanding tools and keeps your setup simple and efficient. If straight drilling is your goal, the Milescraft 1335 DrillBlock Plus is a simple yet powerful solution.
This handheld drill guide features 9 hardened steel bushings that match the most common drill bit sizes, ensuring accuracy across different applications. The built-in vertical and horizontal centering lines help you align every time, while the rubber-coated V-groove channel allows for stable drilling on cylindrical stock or corners. And with improved non-slip surfaces, including the expanded V-groove channel, the tool stays firmly in place during use. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to control while delivering precise straight holes.
When it comes to glue application, the Milescraft GlueMate 150 and GlueMate 450 offer a level of control that is hard to beat. The secret lies in the two-chamber design, which pushes glue from the storage chamber into a smaller application chamber when pressure is applied. This system allows you to control the flow precisely, delivering just the right amount of glue exactly where you need it, even in vertical positions or hard-to-reach areas. The GlueMate 450 also includes 2 different applicator tips. The fine point cone applicator allows you to lay down a fine bead of glue on narrow boards, in dowel holes, or other joints. Meanwhile, the flat biscuit applicator tip has a wide profile, making it great for biscuit joints or spreading a wider bead of glue on larger boards. For marking and layout work, the Milescraft 847 ScribeTec is all about flexibility and precision. Its articulated arms allow it to adjust to any surface or contour while maintaining a consistent scribe offset that stays parallel to the work surface every time. The adjustable writing instrument grip can hold No. 2 pencils, carpenter pencils, and markers, making it highly versatile. And for added convenience, it even includes a built-in pencil sharpener to keep your lines crisp. To handle detailed work, the retractable, spring-loaded locking precision point allows you to create accurate radius markings with ease. Rounding things out, the Milescraft 1340 HardwareJig offers a simple and accurate way to repeatedly position, drill, and mount cabinet drawer and door hardware. With its metal ruler construction, it provides durability while maintaining accuracy across repeated uses. The adjustable sliding stops lock into place, allowing you to align the jig quickly and maintain consistent positioning across multiple pieces. And, thanks to its reversible design, you can transfer the jig from left door to right with a simple flip while keeping the hardware position locked. It features 3 steel 5mm bushings that create accurate, straight holes and are designed to last. Meanwhile, centering notches help align perfectly when installing drawer knobs. Capable of installing poles and handles from 1 1/4 inches long to 10 inches, it is a versatile tool for a wide range of cabinet projects. That's a wrap on new Milescraft tools in 2026. Which of these tools caught your eye the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and the latest in tools. Thanks for watching.